Hi everyone. I'm going to demonstrate how to do the virtual lab that's on osmosis that's due in your chapter 5. Um, this lab is due on June the 12th. You go to your chapter 5 section, chapter 5 page in Moodle, the structure and function of plasma membranes, and then scroll down. And the first thing that you're going to see is, as you see by the icon, this is the document. So this is the actual lab report. You're going to click on it and open it up. I'm not going to do that this time since I showed you that last time. I'm just going to go straight to the link. And here's your lab. And the procedure is over here on the left. If you scroll down, it says select one of the three cells pictured at the top of the screen and drag it into one of the beakers. So there's a red blood cell, an Elodea cell, which is a type of plant cell, and then a paramecium, which is a single-celled organism in the domain Eukarya in the kingdom Protista. So it's if we were in class using the microscopes, a paramecium would be one of the organisms you would see in pond water. It's very common in fresh water. And Elodea is a very common plant that is found in fish tanks. People put them in their fish tanks in their aquariums. So I'm just going to drop this red blood cell in hypotonic solution. And you see the arrows show that water moves in to the cell and the cell swells. Okay, so you are going to answer those questions in the table, and then you're going to move on and move your red blood cell to the isotonic and the hypertonic solution. And then you'll do the same with the Elodea and the paramecium. And once you are finished, you will go back to our page and scroll down a little bit below that link. And here's your assignment. And you will submit that saved lab report to this assignment. Again, the due date is June the 12th by 11:59 p.m.